ever worked in any kind of programming environment, especially in visual effects or video games where you're actually doing programming, one of the biggest fights that you'll ever have with your team is just code styling fights. What should you name your variables? What should you do camel case or uppercase or blah 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 blah. One of the beautiful things about Python that not a lot of people in our industry know is that there's actually like a universal styling guide for Python that's already kind of been established and a lot of people had agreed upon. So it's all kind of mute. And the cool thing about there being this like kind of official style language is that you can actually just tell your IDE that this is the official style, that you want to follow the official style, and your IDE will kind of help you follow it. It'll kind of do most of the things for you, and the things that it can't do for you, it will kind of just highlight for you. So that's something that's really cool. So that is Pep8. And I know people that know me probably are looking at this video now and being like, Carlos, you're such a hypocrite. You fought Pep8 for so long. And you know what? I did. And now I'm just defeated. And while I don't agree with some of the hey, at least I don't have to argue with you about it anymore. Yeah, you know who you are.